Knowing where customers go inside your store helps you make smarter layout and merchandising decisions. Ariadne's turn-in rate shows exactly that, highlighting which areas attract visitors and which are skipped. It measures how many people enter a specific area versus how many just pass by. Let's take a look at how it works. As shown here, we're looking at last month's data. The store welcomed a total of 174,652 visitors. Just below that, the areas list displays how each division performed in attracting visitors further into the store. Market Hall recorded a 73% turn-in rate, with a notable increase of 21.5% from the previous period. This suggests recent changes, like improved layout or seasonal offerings, are working well. Showroom, on the other hand, saw a 32.4% turn-in rate, with a 6.8% decrease. This may be worth investigating. Now let's take this a step further. By using the filters above, we can drill down to specific sections and areas. In this example, we've selected Market Hall as the division, HFB 14 as the section, and Main Aisle HFB 14 as the area of interest. We can see clearly that Market Hall attracts a lot of visitation. Over 70% of visitors enter this division. Within Market Hall, section HFB 14 stands out, capturing more than half of total store visitors. And when we look at Main Aisle HFB 14 specifically, it brings in nearly 1/3 of all store visitors. Below the funnel, we see a conversion rate of 51.9%, indicating that over half the people who entered HFB 14 also explored the main aisle. To compare, we can look at other areas within the same section. For example, PA 1433 was visited by 5,304 people, just 3.04% of total visitors, with a 5.2% conversion rate. CMHFB 14 sees lower visitation, with only 2,172 visitors, making up 1.24% of total store traffic, and a 2.1% conversion rate. These comparisons offer useful insights to improve store operations. By using turn-in rate, you can quickly assess how each part of your store is performing. At a glance and with precision, turn-in rate turns movement data into actionable insights, so your store works smarter and your customer journey flows better.